Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate powder. First, you'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. For a richer, creamier drink, consider incorporating dry milk powder. You can also customize your mix with warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or even a tiny dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. These simple ingredients form the foundation of a delicious homemade hot chocolate. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to combine them. Sifting the cocoa powder, sugar, and any other dry additions is crucial to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth final product. Use a fine mesh sieve to achieve this. After sifting, whisk everything together thoroughly for about 1 minute. This ensures that every spoonful of your homemade mix will deliver a consistent and delightful flavor experience. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness and flavor of your homemade hot chocolate powder. Transfer your finished mix into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dry pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, your delicious hot chocolate powder can remain fresh and ready to enjoy for up to 3 to 4 months. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade hot chocolate. For a single serving, combine about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your powder with 8 ounces of hot milk or a milk alternative. Stir continuously until the powder is completely dissolved and the drink is smooth. Feel free to adjust the amount of powder to your taste preference. Top with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of extra cocoa for a truly decadent treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.